Welcome, people of Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Pumpkin Patch, and welcome to Xandar.
Ooh.
Or, well, Xandar's representation here on Earth.
Yes, in the form of the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind roller coaster.
Yes, we are at Epcot at the Walt Disney World Resort for the opening day.
Yes, I'm so excited.
We are here to give you a little tour around the area, show you what's going on. Jessica will be riding the ride not once, but twice. She'll be talking about her experience a little bit later.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of those attractions that has like a virtual queue, which we'll explain later.
Yeah.
Or you can pay to ride the ride. There is no normal standby line today.
This park is very busy, as one would expect on opening day, so that's exciting. We were in a breezeway. Some people got into the virtual queue at 1 o'clock and all cheered, and that was just wonderful to feel the enthusiasm.
It is palpable here. There are a lot of people walking around dressed up in Marvel gear. We've seen, I think, 5 Lokis.
Yes.
We've seen a couple of Star-Lords.
We saw Loki Alligator, but I'm not sure that was a cosplay or just like an actual Loki.
That's true. I mean,
It's Florida.
It's Florida, so I mean, these alligators, you never know. They could just be Lokis, and you never know. Anyway,
It's true.
And as long as they're green, we set that bar pretty low. Evidently, going to walk around, show you some stuff. Hope you guys enjoy this. So why don't you ride with us as we travel the galaxy to Xandar? But we do have to ask you, please be kind and cosmic rewind.
Welcome to Epcot. Return service to your resort hotel is available at this station. Be sure to ask your driver for the exact location. Smoking is not permitted at Epcot, except in the designated area outside park entrances. Please collect your belongings, watch your head and step as you disembark. Take small children by the hand and follow the walkway to the main entrance. As you approach the entrance, please keep your party together. Thanks for riding with us, and have a wonderful time here at Epcot.
Alright, you guys ready? Yeah. We're gonna do the same thing, just got introduced, but I'm gonna... So we traveled the entire galaxy and we ran into some friends. Hey, it's the Love Our Life vlog.
I'm John,
And I'm Angie.
and we just rode Cosmic Rewind, and we are, I don't even have words. We're in another galaxy. That's what it is.
So I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Were you kind and did you cosmic rewind?
I Cosmic Rewind and yelled, "Holy crap," the whole time.
There you go.
Well, there you go. Take that, Blockbuster. No late fees here.
Okay, you want to see my dance moves? All right, someone give me a beat. Ah, yeah. Don't be jealous, Mia. And take it. Oh, nice. Who's she passing it to? And then it kind of stopped right around here. Mia, try that again. See if we can pass it all the way around the circle. Oh. You'll go on the date. I feel like...
So Jessica's gone ahead on in. We did the individual lightning lane, which means it's a pay to ride. We missed the virtual queue this morning, and then we didn't need the virtual queue at 1 o'clock. There is another virtual queue popping up at 6 o'clock for very limited guests. We do qualify for that because we're staying at a DVC resort, Saratoga Springs. But we're gonna try that one as well. But Jessica's in giving it a ride now. Let's go to her footage and show some of the awesomeness that is inside the ride. Your boy James don't ride roller coasters because I got vertigo really bad. Someone's got to fall on this grenade, and that's Jessica, and she's checking it out now. So let's check in with her. Cool transition.
As time zero, before the existence of anything. Our worlds were born of a single point of matter and energy that blasted outward in what Terrans refer to as the Big Bang. And from nothing came the beginning of everything. Incredibly hot and extraordinarily powerful, this explosion filled the cosmos with a cloud of rapidly moving particles. Over the next 100 million years, space continued to expand, and the particles cooled and slowed. As they coalesced into huge swirling clouds, our beautiful planet Xandar is known for many things, but perhaps most renowned for our technological advancements. From artificial intelligence to intergalactic travel, Xandar stands at the forefront of innovation.
What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just...
And now, please step forward into the Welcome Center, making room for everyone. Thank you.
I'm in the holding pen now, but I'm blue.
I was fortunate to secure this exclusive interview with them.
Please make sure we're filling in all non-available space and keeping up with the party in front of us. Once again, please make sure we are filling in all non-available space. Your presentation on the plans of Xandar will begin shortly.
Guardians end up teaming up with the Ravagers. They normally only
Y'all gonna get the new shirts? They got the date, 5/27/20.
It creates jump points, artificial tunnels
that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome.
2022.
I would love to hear more
Anything
about
you see
how
with
Tara was
2022 is off tour. They bought it online somewhere. There is no like this one. No, I got the fit.
I went there as a kid.
You're right.
I
Yeah, you're right.
to get to go back and why.
Annie Real, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As Xandar, as you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump ports, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be
I am worldwide. Sentient.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. 100% worth the hype. 100%.
Maybe there's something that like you can't get anywhere else.
Now I've moved a little bit away from the hubbub over here at the Xandar Pavilion. Most of the merchandise for Guardians of the Galaxy's opening day is going to be available at the Creation Shop. There is a store called Treasures of Xandar that is closed currently. I just spoke with a cast member and they said they have no idea if they're even going to open today. And the line is pretty long to get into Creation Shop. So if you were just wanting to shop in Creation Shop, you have to wait in line. I have no idea how long that line is. Cast members are just telling me, you know, however long it is, because it depends on people inside the store shopping. But hopefully they'll open the Treasures of Xandar store. We'll have to wait and see. Sorry, can't show you the inside if there's nothing to show. So for the past few years, Disney's been running this virtual queue system. Essentially what the virtual queue system is a line for you to get in. The typical line where you would just walk up to the attraction and get on board is not available for some of the newer, more popular rides that started with Rise of the Resistance, moved on to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, and is now with Cosmic Rewind. To take place in the virtual queue, you have to go on to My Disney Experience. They open up these boarding groups, which is what you'll be put in, is a boarding group. They open up the virtual queue system every morning at 7 a.m. and at 1 p.m. they open up more opportunities. The virtual queue system is completely free, but it is limited. It's first come, first served, and you have to make sure that you get on it as fast as you possibly can. While you're in the park, you'll hear announcements throughout the park. You'll be able to check My Disney Experience app to see if your boarding group is boarding just yet.
I filmed myself, but I don't even know what to say. It's amazing. Like, I cried a little bit. Like, it's like an emotional experience, I think. And like, it's so good. It's my favorite ride in Disney World, period. Already. We paid for the individual lightning lane. I paid for it again. I hate paying for rides, but it's so good. I don't even know what else to say other than like, it's so good, it's so well done, it's so well thought out, it's very revolutionary. It uses screens, but it also uses the track, but it's not like the Harry Potter ride in Universal though. It's like the screens engulf you. It's like you're in space. It's like you're on a spaceship in space because the screens are literally like it fills up the entire room. And it's like, it's fast and intense and then slow and not intense. I feel like I'm not describing this well at all, but I'm just marveled by it. It's amazing, it's super well done. I filmed up until they told me not to film anymore, and then I stopped filming. I don't know what, like, I'm not filming the part, so they said put your camera away. Terry Crews is one of the people on the video screens. Yeah, so I filmed that part, and then he told me to put my device away, and I respect what he says.
And now we're in line at Creation Shop to check out the opening day merch.
I'm really excited to see. I mean, I've seen some people wearing some t-shirts, so I'm really excited.
They're just hustling us in.
Yeah.
There's a really long line. I think I showed that earlier, but it's actually not that bad. It moves pretty quickly. Yeah.
Hey, good.
Maybe the opening day won't check out. There's this one. That one's really cool shit. Oh, there's this cool one. I love it. It's in the opening day one. I'm trying to get it in. I don't know. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this one in the other one. That one's really cool. You should get that one.
Look at this.
Yeah.
I got you.
This is pretty popular today.
Oh, yeah.
I've seen that quite a bit.
Yeah, look at the waist.
Yeah. Coaster set.
I love this photo frame too.
Yeah, the photo frame's nice because it's also Epcot.
Yeah.
$25's not too bad. Oh, hey.
Oh, that does not feel nice though.
Oh, that is not a comfortable fleece blanket, especially for $50. Oh, so it's heat activated.
Look at the inside of that.
Ah, very nice. Yeah. I love this one. Oh, hey. That's an 80s.
Yeah, it is.
How much is that? Look, all I'm saying is Green Lantern Corps is better.
Orb.
Spoiler. It's not going to end well when we get to Vision. I mean, I'm kidding, because they just... Yeah. How much is that? And that does a pumpkin patch. We are done with our day here at Epcot.
Oh, I had an amazing day, and I love Cosmic Rewind. It was amazing. I can't say enough good things about it. We did the individual lightning lane, which is a pay-for thing. I would not do that for mini rides, and I don't love paying for rides, but that was the way we could get on today, so we did it.
So it was worth it.
Yeah, it was. It definitely was. It was an amazing experience. It's a roller coaster, but it's also like a dark ride. They did a really good job of combining those things. I can't say enough good things about it. It's just fantastic.
And so was this whole day.
Yes. Yeah, this day was amazing.
We had a fantastic time going around. We did a couple other rides. We ate. We snacked. We did everything that one is supposed to do.
At Epcot.
At Epcot. And evidently, I broke the timeline.
I mean, that's true. We now have a new variant.
Maybe. But we hope that you enjoyed our little adventure around here and running into some friends, some new friends, and just seeing a whole bunch of stuff and having a whole bunch of fun.
Oh yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you and leave us a comment down below on what your favorite Disney World ride is, because mine is now Cosmic Rewind.
Mine is Living with the Land. You couldn't ask for a better day at a Disney park. And Epcot, we ask a lot of Epcot, and it did not disappoint, and it never does.
No, it always delivers.
Please let us know down below what you think. Are you looking forward to Cosmic Rewind? Also, if you don't mind, click or treat. That's where you like, share, subscribe, and you ring that notification bell.
Mm-hmm.
And thanks for riding with the Fall Horseman.
Where Halloween lives.
And fall is forever.
And don't forget to be kind. Cosmic Rewind.
Cosmic Rewind.